Kar di Kaizoku.
We have a ZORO versus Kid match here. We'll go first. Let's keep. Right, we'll play Nami. We'll pick up ZORO. And pass. They play Nekomamushi to tap our Nami. And pass. I guess they just wanted a body on board. We'll do Dawn on leader and attack their leader for 6k. They take. We'll play Vivi and pass. They play Izo to tap our Vivi. They attach Dawn to Nekomamushi and attack Vivi for 4k. We'll let her die. They attack our leader with Kid for 5k. We'll take. We'll do Dawn on leader and attack Nekomamushi with Nami for 3k. They counter for 1k. We'll do 2 Dawn on ZORO and attack Nekomamushi for 7k. Then we'll play Robin and pass. I attached the Dawn to ZORO because there's nothing else I could use that Dawn for that turn. I want to save my 2k counters in case they tap our Robin. They attack Nami with Izo for 3k. She dies. They play Basil Hawkins and a Bonnie and attack our leader for 5k. We'll take. Luckily we have 2 jet pistols in hand. We'll do Dawn on Robin. We'll attack Izo with Robin for 5k and KO Nami with Robin's ability. Then we'll attack leader for 5k with ZORO. They take. We'll jet pistol the Basil Hawkins and then play a Vivi and pass. They play another Basil Hawkins. Luckily we have another jet pistol. They attack Robin with Kid for 5k. We'll counter for 2k. He has 3 Dawn. He could use up. They activate Kid's leader ability and discard a Law, and attack Robin again for 5k. We'll counter again for 2k. We'll play Nami. We'll pick up a jet pistol here. We'll jet pistol the Basil Hawkins. Dawn on leader. Attack with Vivi for 5k. They take. Attack with Robin for 5k. They counter for 1k. Attack with leader for 6k. They take. Then we'll play ZORO and attack for 6k. They counter for 2k. Let's see, they're at 10 Dawn now. I won't be surprised if an 8 cost Kid comes out. They attack Robin with Kid for 5k. We'll counter for 2k. We want to keep Robin alive in case they do play 8 cost Kid and then they bring out a blocker and Robin can just get rid of it. They play 8 cost Kid, they tap 8 cost Kid to bring out a Veggie. They play a second Veggie. And they attach Dawn to 8 cost Kids to activate his effect. We'll do Dawn on leader and then we'll Otama the 8 cost Kid and then we'll just Jet Pistol it. We'll do Dawn on Robin. Attack leader for 6k and KO a Veggie. They counter for 2k. We'll attack leader with Vivi for 5k. They take. We'll attack leader with Zoro for 6k. They block with Veggie. We'll do the remaining 3 Dawn on leader and attack Kid for 9k. And we win. All it took was 3 Jet Pistols. Right, bye.
Car D Kaizoku.